Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 10th to August the 12th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, and nagla-live po tayo like what I mentioned. Pwede po kayong sumali, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, Scorpio. Ang nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, bakit parang um, gustong-gusto natin, no, na ipagsawalang bahala yung mga naririnig natin. Pero parang merong push na kailangan uriratin, no? Kailangan tignan natin, kailangan lumingon tayo sa likod, no? Um, Meron din ditong, for a few numbers of you, Scorpio, someone is already moving forward, but um, parang merong bang mga bulong, no, na nagsasabi sa kanila, lumingon ka, tignan mo yung tao sa likod, tignan mo yung past relationship mo, um, hanapin mo, no, itong taong sabihin natin nilayasan mo or inalisan mo. Um, Parang hinahanap mo yung sagot, bakit may pull, no, na gustong bumalik na mga paa mo doon sa isang relasyon. Scorpio with the Page of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. For a few numbers of you, baka hindi nyo pa ginagawa, yung iba ditong Scorpio ginawa na, no, na nag-check ng social media ng kanilang exes, no? With the Page of Pentacles in here, I feel like that someone is keeping tabs on the other person. Minsan, gusto nang mag-message, gusto mag-hi, mag-hello, gustong i-click ang heart, no? Or mag-like, no, sa mga post. With the Two of Wands and the Nine of Cups, I feel like meron ditong parang sandaling-sandali lang na magkikita uli, magkakausap uli. Parang what I am seeing in here is fixation. Also, parang inaayos, no, or aayusin itong gap na nangyari sa kanila with the King of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Alright, so ito ang nakikita ko. Yung isa, nagwa-watch, no, dun sa kanilang exes. Yung isa, merong kutob na pinapanood ako or chine-check yung aking profile. Pero kutob lang naman yun. Hindi ko sure, no? Kung i-message ko kaya, yung isa naman, ayaw naman mag-message, pero totoo namang nanonood. So ito nga yung nakakakutob, sabi niyang ganyan. Tama bang i-message ko? Ako ba mauuna? Baka mamaya galit naman siya, no? So there's actually somewhat merong truth sa kutob, pero nagdi-disconnect kasi baka kasi ang iniisip nitong person na nagkakakutob hindi naman siya pansinin, where in fact yung sa kabilang person, no, yung ayaw mag-message, yung nanonood, no, gusto naman somewhat na magkaroon din ng conversations. With the Three of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune, feeling ko hindi naman nawala itong emotion, hindi naman nawala itong nararamdaman sa isa't isa with the Four of Cups and the Knight of Wands. So, parang dinededma lang, no? Parang pinapalipad sa hangin. Pero, feeling ko this is actually a mirrored energy na parehong nag-aantayan. So sabihin natin parang teleserye, no? Na iisa lang yung pinto, hawak nyo na yung doorknob, no? Imagine this. Sino lang ang unang magtu-turn ng knob, 'no, para makita niyo yung isa't isa? I feel like both of you are already facing each other. There's just a wall. Ito nga yung sinasabi nating door. Hawak niyo na parehas. All you just need to do is for you para magkita kayo, magtagpo yung mga mata ninyo, is for at least one, to have the guts or the courage at least to turn the knob around and so that you can see each other with a nine of wands and the justice. I feel like the the willingness, the parang yung gusto kitang makita uli, parang yung sinasabi dito na I still want you, nandito pa rin naman. In fact, medyo lowered na yung galit, no, yung heightened energy. Medyo lang konti inis pero more of sige na, mag-message ka na, no? So let's check here. Scorpio, the zodiac sign, I mean the message, the emotion of the person, or it could also be your emotion, no? You have to be patient, and do you miss me the way that I miss you? So I think that this is the other person's emotion wherein um ganun rin ba ang pangungulila mo katulad nung pangungulila ko sa'yo, 'no? Tas yung isa naman mag-antay ka pa, 'no? Parang ninanamnam ko pa 'to kasi somewhat kinikilig din naman ako. Somewhat alam ko na magkakaayos din naman tayo. Pero parang pinapatagal ko, parang kumbaga sa baraha, 'no, kung nagsusugal tayo, parang pinipinahan ko, kung sa mahjong sinasalat ko pa, 'no? Um, just to make sure kung is this the right time, for me para sabihin, ano ba yung sinasabi? I win? Or ano ba? Call? I don't know. So, ang barang hinahawakan ko lang kasi is itong tarot cards, no? Um, I feel like both are going to have a win-win situation kung meron lang talaga maglalakas ng loob, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This could be your sun sign or their sun sign. I mean, their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Um, this is, I'm seeing Leo, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading, Scorpio. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Kung gusto nyo pong magtanong at hindi nyo naabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? At kilalang kilala nyo naman po ang sarili ninyo, Scorpio. Kung feeling ninyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po meron po dong link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po sa pinakababa, no, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, makikita nyo po yung mga QR codes. How much per question, name, number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa description box, sa same link. So tuloy pa rin yung manhunt ng ating fake accounts. Report the fake accounts, take a screenshot, send it to the designated email. Once nagapi po natin lahat yan, we will be, I will be pulling a draw, no, for a chance to win a free personal reading, no, Scorpio. Kung hinahanap nyo dito yung X-Files, nandun na po siya sa Facebook. So, i-check nyo lang po, no? Para at least pinaghiwalay ko para hindi po nag-aaway dito sa YouTube. So, this is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.